my phone won't turn on. What's happening? Did you try charging it overnight? Yes, but the screen is still completely black. Don't worry. Let's take it to the repair shop on Oak Avenue. I hope they can fix it today. We'll find out soon. Let's go. This feels so strange. I keep reaching for my phone. Maybe today you can look at the world instead. I guess I don't have another choice. Wow, that bakery smells incredible. Fresh bread always smells better than food on a screen. I never noticed this place before. Look at those colorful buildings. They're beautiful. They've always been here. You were just looking down before. I think I've missed a lot. Listen to those birds. They're singing so loudly. Nature has its own music every morning. It's much more relaxing than I expected. Let's sit here and enjoy a warm drink. Usually I'd be staring at my phone while drinking coffee. Today, just enjoy the moment. These flowers are amazing. The colors are so bright. Real flowers are much nicer than pictures online. I should stop and notice things like this more often.
Welcome! What seems to be the problem today?
My phone won't turn on no matter what I do.
Let me take a look. I think I already know the issue. The battery needs replacing. It'll be ready in about an hour.
An hour without my phone, I think I can manage. Great! Let's enjoy one more hour in the real world. The air feels so fresh here. I haven't walked in a park for a long time. Sometimes slowing down helps us notice the little things. I'm starting to enjoy this day. Listen! Someone is playing the violin! Live music always sounds special. It feels like the whole street is smiling. Look at that little puppy chasing a ball! He looks happier than anyone holding a phone. I wish I had his energy.
These strawberries and oranges look so fresh.
The market is full of colorful fruits today.
I think I'll buy some instead of snacks.
Good morning! Isn't today a beautiful day for a walk? It really is. I almost stayed home because of my broken phone. Sometimes small problems lead to wonderful days.
The water sparkles in the sunlight. I love listening to the sound of the fountain. It's surprisingly peaceful here. I thought today would be terrible. And now? Now it feels like one of my best mornings.
Welcome back! Your phone is almost ready.
That was faster than I expected.
Just a few more minutes. Everything is fixed. Your new battery is working perfectly.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much. I knew it would be okay. My phone is working again, but I don't feel like using it right now. That's because today reminded you that life happens beyond the screen. You're right. I don't want to miss the real world anymore. The streets look different now. I notice every little detail. That's because you're looking with your eyes, not just your phone. I never realized how beautiful this neighborhood is. Wow, the sky is glowing orange and pink. Every sunset is different if you take the time to watch it. I can't believe I've missed this so many times.
Did the repair shop fix your phone?
Yes, but today I found something even better. Now I'm curious to hear the whole story. I walked through the city without looking at a screen.
And how did it feel?
It felt peaceful, like I finally noticed the world around me.
Everyone, let's keep our phones away during dinner tonight. That's actually a great idea.
Real conversations are always the best.
What was your favorite part of today?
Listening to birds, smelling fresh bread, and watching the sunset.
Those are memories no phone can replace.
From now on, I'm going to spend less time scrolling. Small changes can make a big difference. I want to enjoy more moments like today.
Your phone is fully charged now. Thanks, Mom. I'll use it only when I really need it.
That's a smart choice.
Noah, aren't you checking your notifications? They can wait. I'd rather enjoy this beautiful morning first. I should try that too. So, what did your broken phone teach you? Sometimes we have to disconnect from our screens to reconnect with life.
The greatest adventures often begin when we simply look up.
The weather is perfect today. I think I'll walk instead of taking the bus.
Great idea. Walking lets you notice so many little things.
I already feel happier than yesterday. Good morning, Noah. It's nice to see you outside. Good morning. I used to rush by without noticing anyone.
A simple greeting can brighten someone's day. Excuse me, my ball rolled into the bushes.
Don't worry, I'll help you find it.
Thank you, you're so kind. Look at those people reading books under the trees. They look so calm and relaxed. Sometimes a good book is better than endless scrolling. Those ducks swim so peacefully across the pond. Nature has its own quiet rhythm. I could watch them for hours. How about celebrating with some ice cream?
That sounds perfect after such a nice walk. 2 vanilla cones coming right up. Hi, Noah. How's your day going? It's been amazing. I've spent more time outside than on my phone. I'm really proud of you. The water reflects the sky like a mirror. It's beautiful when you slow down enough to notice. I don't want to miss moments like this anymore. Will you keep today's lesson in your heart? Absolutely. I'll make time for the real world every day. That's the best decision you could make. Funny, a broken phone gave me one of the happiest days of my life. Sometimes life teaches us in unexpected ways.
The best memories aren't always stored in a phone, they're made by living in the moment.
You're leaving your phone at home today?
Yes, I want to enjoy my walk without any distractions.
I'm proud of your new habit.
You seem much happier lately. What's your secret? I spend less time on my phone and more time enjoying real life. Maybe I should try that too.
Look at those clouds. They look like giant ships. Nature creates the best pictures without any filters. I never noticed how beautiful the sky can be.
Today my phone was repaired, but something even more important changed. I learned to enjoy the real world.
Remember, the greatest moments aren't found on a screen. Thanks for watching.